Hello, my name is Carolyn and I'm a reference librarian at the Hofstra Law Library. In this video, we will be reviewing how to use headnotes and the West key number system to find cases. More than 100 years ago, West Publishing created the West key number system, a classification system used to organize cases by topic. The key number system divides the law into over 400 broad topics, from abandoned and lost property to zoning and planning, and assigns those topics a unique number. The topics are further subdivided into more narrow individual points of law or subtopics that are assigned key numbers. For example, selecting key number 1017 in the zoning and planning topic will retrieve cases on the topic of zoning and planning that specifically discuss who may exercise that power. This key number system is used to organize published cases by topic so that you, the researcher, can use a relevant topic and key number to retrieve cases that discuss a particular topic or point of law. There are various ways to find a relevant topic and key number. One way is by reviewing the headnotes of a relevant case you've already found through your research, and we will discuss this technique more in a minute. Alternatively, you can browse and search the West key number system on the main West key number page like I just did. You can access that page from the Content Types tab of the Westlaw homepage. Run your search here and browse below. Finally, you can find topics and key numbers referenced in secondary sources published by West. For example, here is a section of American jurisprudence. Note here the reference to the West Key Number Digest and relevant topics and key numbers. However, one of the more efficient ways to find a relevant topic and key number is through the headnotes of a relevant case. When the attorney editors at West receive an opinion, like this one, Glatt v. Fox Searchlight from the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, each legal concept within that opinion is summarized into a headnote, which is essentially a 1 or 2 sentence summary of the legal concept. If you scroll past the synopsis, you can see that there are 17 headnotes for this case, and each headnote is assigned a topic and key number within the key number system. All of the headnotes for a case are consecutively numbered. Here is headnote 1, headnote 2, headnote 3, and so on. This allows you to quickly find the portion of the opinion corresponding to the headnote in question. Simply click on the headnote number and you will be brought down to the portion of the opinion corresponding to that headnote. To get back to your headnote, select the headnote number within the text. It is important to note that headnotes are not part of the decision and cannot be cited. The headnotes are generated by the attorney editors, not the judge who decided the case. Let's take a closer look at headnote 5. Headnote 5 discusses the point of law that the primary beneficiary test is used to determine whether an unpaid intern is an employee under the Fair Labor Standards Act. To the right of the headnote, you can see the classification hierarchy for the headnote and where this point of law fits within the classification system. Headnote 5 was assigned the broad topic of labor and employment, topic number 231H, and the key number 2246 under the subtopic of trainees, interns, and apprentices. Let's say that after reviewing this case, I am really interested in Headnote 5, and I want to see more cases that discuss the point of law discussed in Headnote 5. Note that if I were to select cases that cite this headnote, I will pull up cases that cite to my case, Glatt v. Fox Searchlight, for the specific point of law discussed in Headnote 5. But if I want to find more cases, not only citing references, but more cases that discuss the point of law in Headnote 5 regarding the primary beneficiary test, I need to select the topic and key number for Headnote 5 here. Now I'm being provided with other cases that have a headnote classified under this specific topic and key number, and so discuss the point of law in Headnote 5 that I'm interested in. Here again, I can see where I am in the classification scheme. Notice that I'm only being provided with cases from the Second Circuit. This is because my case, Glatt v. Fox Searchlight, is a Second Circuit case, and Westlaw initially only retrieves cases that are from the same jurisdiction as your case, the case you're viewing. However, another advantage of the headnote and key number system is that this subject arrangement is applied to cases from every jurisdiction. So if I want to see cases from a jurisdiction other than the Second Circuit, I can simply change my jurisdiction here. If I change my jurisdiction from the Second Circuit to, let's say, the Ninth Circuit, and press Apply, I will retrieve Ninth Circuit cases that have a headnote classified under this specific topic and key number, and so discuss the point of law discussed in Headnote 5 regarding the primary beneficiary test and the Fair Labor Standards Act. Lexis also organizes cases by topic using LexisNexis headnotes and topics. This is similar to Westlaw's system. Here again, we are looking at the Second Circuit case of Glatt v. Fox Searchlight. And if we scroll past the subsequent and prior history and case summary, you can see LexisNexis headnotes. To access cases, select the legal topic you are interested in and select Get Documents. Unlike Westlaw, Lexis will provide you with cases from every jurisdiction. To narrow your jurisdiction, use the court limiter on the left. The West key number system and LexisNexis headnotes and topics are just one way you can use a case you've found to find additional cases on point. Remember, if you have any questions about this topic or any other, contact the reference desk.